Hi everyone, so today I want to show you how to replace the oil pressure sensor on a 1999 Jeep Wrangler. This is the 4.0 six-cylinder, and so to get started I kind of wanted to show you a couple of things, talk through a few things. So as you can see, I have no pressure on my oil. My check gauges light is on. Other people, as they give it a little more gas, a little more pressure, theirs goes up, mine doesn't. Occasionally it kicks on and it'll stay on for a minute, then it'll be off for a minute, stay on for 2 minutes, stay off for 2 minutes. It kind of cycles through. No real relevance to whether I'm giving it any gas or anything. So let's go ahead and get that replaced. So the oil pressure sensor is actually very easy to find right here, right on top of your oil filter, that little electrical connection right there. It's going to be much easier to just flip your hood up completely onto your windshield there to give you more access. Make sure that I would check this before you order it online. There are a couple of different variations. I thought I would have an older sensor, but this is the new one. I have a 3-prong, and luckily it comes with kind of some temperature stuff on there to help seal it. I'll include a link to this. So first you're obviously going to go ahead and disconnect that electrical wiring. I put a little something underneath, whether it's an oil pan or a sheet of cardboard or something, to be able to catch any oil. So go ahead and disconnect the electrical connection there, and then unscrew it. I'm just going to use an adjustable wrench because it's so open and easy to get to, and I'm not going to have a socket deep enough to cover over the electrical connection. So go ahead and disconnect it and remove that next. So to get this off, use a little flathead. I push from this side, and there's this little red tab that basically you need to pop out, and then it should pop off once you depress this tab and pull it out. So that's the easiest way to get this off. So I couldn't really find a torque specification for it. However, as you can see there, you have some thread sealant. Mine came with it. So I think with that on, and if you basically put it back on as tight as you took it off, you're the one who took it off, so try to put it back on at the same tightness as you took it off. Then you'll just go ahead and plug it in and test it out. So as you can see, that fixed my problem. So anyways, that is how you replace the oil pressure sensor on a 1999 Jeep Wrangler. Hopefully this was helpful, and thanks for watching.